This is just a short review of the Zouya GMK with PBT keycaps and Box Jade switches. So this keyboard is honestly really good for, somewhat of a budget here but for Bangladesh it's not budget. In fact, it is so not budget that I love it, but I can't afford it. The keyboard that I'm using currently is the Fantech TKL. If I don't remember, it really is. But this keyboard is really good. Personally, I'm not the biggest fan of the clickiness, but I do tap fast, and the sound is actually a mixture of clacky and clicky. So yeah, this keyboard is honestly great, and I'm happy for my friend that he has it. So that's kind of about it for this one. Like and subscribe if you want.